Hey, it's time to upgrade your Super Duty and bring it into the future with Morimoto XB EVO headlights for your 20 to 22 Super Duty. We do have the 23 Plus Super Duty coming out soon. We should have that next month. I'm really excited for those. I know a lot of you have those on pre-order. These 20 to 22 options are now available at battlebornoffroad.com. These Morimoto XB headlights are packed with a lot of new features. Obviously, we have the new optics, the Shida optic, which is going to give you better low beam and high beam performance at night. On top of that, we have a few features that really set these XB EVOs apart from all the other headlight housing options on the market. One, here you see those 4 gray pieces. Not only do they look cool, kind of gives it a futuristic OEM Plus look, but that's actually a headlight heater. So if you're in a part of the country that gets a lot of snow, sleet, cold rain, that fogs up the headlights, you just flick your high beams 4 times and that's going to activate that headlight heater option, keeping these lenses clear and free of any ice or condensation buildup. That's a really cool feature that's not found on the factory headlights or any of the other aftermarket options. On top of that, Morimoto's put on a new UV coating, so these are going to stay looking nice for the lifetime of the vehicle. We also have the optional DRL color. You can choose between white and amber. We also have the signal swap feature, which will give you either a standard blinking turn signal or an inverse sequential where the turn signal actually goes kind of like this across the headlight. So a lot of cool features. And on top of that, Morimoto has also released their supercharged driver. So if you want to boost the performance of these headlights by 50%, granted it's not technically street legal, but install one of those supercharged drivers, and these are going to be the brightest headlights you can buy for your 20 to 22 Super Duty. They're easy to install with their plug-and-play harness, and I think you're getting a ton of bang for the buck. They may be a little bit more expensive than some of the other headlights on the market, but I think they're definitely worth it. I love the look of these. I can't wait to install these on our customer's vehicle. I think we're going to get some night shots for you guys and really show you the performance, the output of these headlights. They're unmatched. There's no other headlight manufacturer on the market that packs this much technology and this much performance into their headlight housings. So if you guys are looking to upgrade the look and the performance of your Super Duty, check out these new Morimoto XB EVO headlights. We now have them for sale on battlebornoffroad.com. If you'd like to get a set, check us out online or give us a call. We'll see you guys on the next one.